Greetings to you and welcome to Minigun Tutorials. Hope you are doing well. If you are finding it hard, okay, if you have any kind of difficulties in printing an Outlook email to PDF, all right, you get errors such as, let me show you the errors that I'm talking about. Something like Microsoft information protection, and sometimes your notepad. Like you try to print and then it opens with some notepad, and let me show you. All right, so sometimes this is the error that you get, something like Microsoft information protection, or better still, you may get this notepad opening and you're like, what is going on? So I found a way to fix the problem and thought of sharing with you. All right, so it's very simple. Per my experience, this error often occurs when I'm trying to print using the old, what do you call it, the normal or the classic Outlook app, right? So let me show you an example. Currently the problem is fixed for me, but I will try to show you, just to show you that at least for me I have no issues with that no more, right? But I will show you what to do if you are facing such problems. These actually, this problem actually occurred when I was using my work PC. All right, this is my personal PC that I'm using to make the video. But this problem actually occurred when I was using my work PC, and I even tried to see the IT to fix the problem, but it never went. And I found alternative ways of printing my PDF, and that's what I want to share with you. So let's open the classic Outlook app. All right. So if I should open this, where I often get a problem, Outlook app here. All right. So once Outlook opens, I can just pick any email of my choice. And to print it to PDF, what do we do? Preferably on the classic Outlook app, just click on File, and then you click on Print. Then you make sure you click on the drop down menu. In case you have, let's say, Adobe installed on your computer and the license is active, then you can just pick Adobe uh, PDF ready, whatever. Else, always pick Microsoft Print to PDF, right? And then over here, you can actually change, you know, the, what do you call it? You can actually change the, oh, what do you call it? The page setup, right? So you see that currently it is in what? It is in landscape mode. So if you feel like, you know, I don't know why this thing is displaying here. Okay, it's gone. Sorry for that. So I was trying to say, if you want to change the page setup, then you just click on print options here, and then you can click on page setup, click on paper, then you come and pick what, change the landscape. I mean, from landscape to portrait. If you want portrait, hit OK. You can preview before you do your printing. If you think there is any cut anywhere, then you can go back, right? Print options again, page setup, paper. You can pick back landscape, hit OK, and then you go ahead and print. And you can put it wherever that you want. You can put it on a desktop, and I can name this one, for instance. You know, so if I should go to the desktop, I should be able to find my PDF one right here without any problems. So this is actually what printing, you know, using the old Outlook app. But sometimes when you are using the old Outlook app, is when you actually this problem actually occurs. So what do you do when this problem occurs? When you have the Microsoft information protection error or whatever, what I do is that I sometimes use the new Outlook app. All right. So just if you have, let's say, if your Outlook, if you have Office 365 installed on your computer, you should be able to use the new Outlook app. You know, if you don't have Office 365 installed, meaning you don't have the total access to Outlook and you don't have the new Outlook app on your computer, then I will show you other alternatives. But let's see how it does work with the new Outlook app. Just type Outlook new, all right, and it's right here. Double click on it. Make sure you connect with your email and your password. Okay, so it works just like the old one. Is break whatever email that you want to print. Sometimes, depend on how wide your screen is, some whatever may be hidden. Some icons may be hidden. So you can always click on these three dots here, and then you would find print here. This is in the new Outlook app. So you click on print, you go ahead again and click on print on top here. Okay, for the new Outlook app, you can change whether portrait or landscape right here, you know. Then you go ahead and click on what print. Then as usual, you can name it whatever that you want. I can name it PDF2, for instance, put it on the desktop or wherever, hit save. And then we have it here on the desktop. So like I said, in case you are using the old Outlook app, sorry, and you are getting this problem, why not try the new Outlook app? If you are still getting this problem, then what else can I show you? The next trick will be using the online login process. So just go open your browser, go to outlook.com, right? Or Outlook sign in, whatever, you know, outlook.com or Outlook sign in, you know, just click on this. You make sure you log in with your email and your password. Okay. I am already connected, so automatically it has brought me here. Then I just make sure I select the email that I want to print to PDF, right? Read through you know. So just make sure you log online, outlook.live.com or outlook.com, whichever. Then you log in, and then after which you depend on how wide your screen is, some icons may be hidden. If that is the case, you can always click on these three dots and you still find your print option. All right, you scroll down and you go ahead and click on print. And as usual, you have the option to either pick what, portrait or landscape. You can also change the color if you want, but since this PDF, we don't really care about colors. So landscape or portrait, then you go ahead and hit on what, print. And as usual, you locate wherever you want to put it. Preferably this time around, we put it on a desktop, for instance. Okay, save it. Oh, I did not put the name of my file, so let's call this tray. Save it, and I'm done. Let's go to the desktop just to see whether we have done the right thing. If I should open this, I have my PDF printed. So this is how it goes. If you have issues with actually printing your Outlook email to PDF because you are getting the data Microsoft information protection error or those kind of things, then try any of these two other methods that I'm talking about. You either use the new Outlook or you use what the online process, and you should be able to print your PDF. I mean your email to PDF without any problem. But if you think you know maybe some specific method of fixing this problem of Microsoft information protection, error, then please let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching, and please remember to like, if not, tell me why you don't like the video within the comment section. Subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye.